up, family? Hey, what's up, YouTube? How's everybody doing today? How's my pink gloves? I hope great. So, you already know what time it is. It's time for another Dollar Tree haul. This is going to be a pretty short and sweet, simple Dollar Tree haul. I actually just went to the Dollar Tree to pick up a few things for a DIY project. And, oh, I also wanted to show you one more thing. Let me go get it. But yeah, I just have went and picked up a few things for a DIY project. So yeah, I just went and picked up a few things for a DIY project that I wanted to do, and I thought I would share with you some of the things that I picked up. And I also wanted to share with you this cute little critter, little bunny. This did not come from Dollar Tree. It actually came from Target, from the Spots Playground, the Dollar Spot area. This was actually $3, but isn't it cute? It's a little, it's takedown, but it's a little trinket, like a little glass, decorative glass dish. And it's in the color purple. They had purple, y'all. They had teal. They had clear. And I just thought this was super, super cute. I actually bought this for my mom for her to use at work on her desk. So I thought it was cute. So hope you like it, Mom. All right. And so also I wanted to show you these cool lippies that Victoria's Secret have. They've had them for a while. This is my second time buying this. And these are the Velvet Matte Lip Colors. This is the cream lip stain. This is in the color Adored. I have another one that's more of a brownish color, but I think it's in my car or whatever. But these are really cool. They're just really like creamy, even though they're like a velvet matte. But they feel really good on the lip. And so this is a nice little neutral color. And then a few videos back, guys, I was actually talking about this stuff in my video. And this is their lip gloss. And it's now called Satin Gloss. But it used to be called something else. Matter of fact, where's my purse? Oh, I don't have my purse. I don't know where my purse is. But it used to be called something else. Whatever. But it's still the flavor Loveberry or whatever. And so I was happy to see these. Like, I hadn't seen them in a while. So I'm like, the one that I've had for many years is almost gone. So I was happy to see that. So these are two things that I picked up from Victoria's Secret this weekend. And I also got this new shirt. I got this shirt from JCPenney, so I want to show it to you guys. It says Salvage Mode. Woohoo. In the color purple. And then that's like in pink and white. And I'm sorry, guys. Please excuse the noise in the background. They're working on an apartment across the hall. And it's kind of loud. So hopefully that's not too much of a distraction. Anyway, so every time I go to Dollar Tree, I always browse the aisle that they have these cute little wall decor things on. They're wall stickers. And this one says, Hello Sunshine. And I thought it was so, so cute. And so I'm going to do a little project with that. And it got a little bent up. So you guys, when you go to Dollar Tree, you have to be very voiceful. Let them know, like, don't fold my stuff, wrap my glass and stuff like that, because they'll just try to throw stuff all in the bag. Oh, sometimes, not all the times, but sometimes. Anyways, so I got these self-adhesive hooks. I had never personally, I do not recall seeing these in a Dollar Tree before, but there's 12 in a pack. They're little mini hooks. You could use them to, like, put by your door to hang keys or whatever. You probably could even use them to, like, hang pictures or something on your wall. But I got them in the color white. They also had the color silver. So these are for a DIY project that I'm going to be doing. So I got that. And I got some Fix-All adhesive. The original super glue. So hopefully it works. It says it works great on rubber, wood, and metal. So we will be trying it out to see if it's going to give me the results that I'm looking for. And then I also got some blue liquid eyeliner by LA Colors. And so I can't wait to try that on my eyes and see how it do. But I'll show you guys what it looks like. I like the color. Looks like. If I can get it open. So this is what it looks like. A nice little applicator. Oh, it's a pretty blue. So that would be pretty on doing like a top liner on your eyes. So yeah, it's the ultimate liquid eyeliner. Yes, can't wait to use it. All right. Then I also picked up this nail polish by LA Colors, Color Craze. This is in the number 544, and the color is called Dizzy. Yeah, so it's just like a gold glitter. Cool top coat or what have you. It has chunky pieces of glitter and small pieces of glitter. So I don't know if you can see it, but that's what it looks like with just a little swipe. So, you know, you could do it as a top coat, like on top of a gold nail polish, or like do white. You can get the little, you know, those little sponges like you used to put your makeup on. You can use that to kind of get the glitter placed into the areas that you need it to go in. So you can do all kinds of things with that. Then I bought 2 of the mirrors, 2 of the Dollar Tree framed mirrors. These are in the like antique silver finish, if you can see. So I bought 2 of those. I thought was a good deal. Oh, I also thought these were so cute. I would definitely be hanging these up. I think I'm going to reframe them. I'm not sure if I like this goldish, antique-y goldish frame. I think it'll look really cute in a black frame or something like that. Or like if I do keep it in this frame, I think I'm gonna cover the frame in like some of the rhinestone trim. But so that is a man and a woman on a bridge. And it's just so cute. And then here's another one that I felt like goes really well with it. And they're under the umbrella kissing. Like, yeah. Y'all know I'm a hopeless romantic. I love romance. And so I had to have those. So I got those. Then I had to get some sunglasses. Like, I stay by sunglasses. These are so cute. They're like a really light pink. And I thought they were cute. Yes. Yes, I need my coffee. Yes. Extra caramel, please. Yes, thank you. You know, they got me feeling real Hollywood. You know what I'm saying? Hi, look. Only pair I've seen like this, and they're like a nice quality. Like, they're not like cheap feeling at all. So boom. I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep them like this because they're so cute like this, but I kind of had an idea of kind of blinging them out a little bit, so we shall see. Obviously if I do decide to bling them out, I'll definitely do a video for you guys. And then what else I got in here? What else do I got in here? Last and certainly not least, I got a 10 by 14 picture frame, which is a really good size from the Dollar Tree. It's the black trim. So yeah, you need to hit up the Dollar Tree for all your picture frame needs, DIY projects or whatnot. Yeah, so that's all I have for now. Like, if you want to see more Dollar Tree hauls, you already know what to do. You gotta let me know if they're, I mean, I go to Dollar Tree quite often, but sometimes I don't always do a haul because I just feel like it's not enough stuff to do a haul, and I ain't got time to be trying to save the stuff to add with the, you know what I'm saying. So if y'all do want to see Dollar Tree hauls, no matter how big or how small, go ahead and drop me a $sign or me or yes, so yes honey or whatever. Comment down in the comment section down below. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up, share it if you want to share it, and yeah, make sure you're subscribed though. make sure you subscribe. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Go ahead and hit the bell so you'll be notified when I upload, because I really don't have an uploading schedule. Honestly, I've tried, but I am a mother of 4 and my life is sometimes hectic. So I get them uploaded, I get them recorded, edited when I can, but for sure I try my best to have at least 2 uploads a week, if not more. So yeah, go ahead and join the Pink Love gang. And until next time, stay you, stay beautiful, and stay unique. Bye guys.